business.
Hello.
Daddy, here's the key.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
What is up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You had the Schnago. It's your boy be back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. You guys know this, and I appreciate you guys for taking the time out watching this video. Right now, man, I don't know if y'all be able to tell my mood being down, but the Sixers just lost. I'm just really annoyed, but nevertheless, business don't stop. I'm about to sell this iPhone 12 Pro for $300, and I sold one about 2 days ago. Now, I want to initially let you guys know exactly some tips on how to leverage these people on OfferUp, because sometimes, most of the time, they try to take advantage of you, to be completely transparent. And when I say take advantage of you, it's, oh, hey, is the phone unlocked? My guy, I have in the title on my OfferUp, I have iPhone 12 Pro AT&T locked, but the person wants to do what many of us want to do, which is gain leverage. But it's just the fact of the matter, like, you're trying to gain that leverage, but that leverage that you're trying to gain isn't necessarily going to work for you, because I'm honestly not I'm not new to this, you know what I mean? This is what I do. So he was like, yeah, is it locked? Obviously. So I said, yeah, it's locked. He was like, oh, yeah, I see. It's AT&T. Yes, it is. And then the next question the guy said, or the next little response the guy had, was basically saying, oh, well, since it's AT&T, will you take less? Absolutely not. I will not take less. And it's just like, when you start to normalize the fact that, you know, you have to view yourself like a store, right? You got to view your stuff like a store, and you have to be able to make others respect you and respect your price, because you can't change your price. You can't just change your price anywhere that you go. You know what I mean? You can't change your price at a Walmart or at a Target. No, the price is the price. So respect my price. And that's sort of kind of where I say the first tip would be, is make them respect your price. All right. So we're meeting at a Wawa, as you guys see. So number two, what I would also say is make them also keep a consistent line of communication. And what I mean by a consistent line of communication is, I'm not meeting nobody that does not give me a way of communicating with them outside of OfferUp. Now, the reasoning is because, one, I gotta make sure that you're a real individual, not just somebody playing around on my phone or on the app. Number two, I honestly want to make sure that I can talk to you once I get to the certain location, because you'll be amazed how many times you go to a location and the person you're trying to meet with, or you got to meet with, they don't answer the phone or whatever, and you're just sitting there stuck like, oh my God, like, I came all the way this way, you know, to basically get stood up. And thirdly, I would really hint on that, is making sure that you're not meeting people far. Like, 20 minutes is my max. Like, 30, okay, if it's a good deal, okay, but I gotta be feeling really well that day, because if you're 20 minutes away, which this guy was, I'm already like, oh my God, like second guessing, because I don't like, honestly, driving too far, and I usually make people come to me. And the tip to that is, you can say, hey, I don't drive. Or you can even just be like, listen, I'm at this store. So sometimes, you know, if you don't have a store, I tell people, hey, make the address, give them the address to a shopping mall plaza, and they can't determine what store you're in or what store you own or what store you'll be in. You know what I mean? It's just a tactic, you know. It's just it's really all about, like, will, you know, not skill, you know. So it's all about understanding that you got to put some type of finesse in order to get the things done. And you know, once you get it done, and once you get the person to meet you at that location, you're already comfortable because you know, all right, I'm not traveling out of my way for it. And you're already comfortable because you know the location. I repeat, I do not go places that people send me. I choose the place. That's one thing. I do not go, you can't just give me an address. I'm gonna vet that address. I'm gonna look at the address. And 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna give you another one. But that's just my prerogative and what I do. Because I just want to make sure I'm safe. And then another tip would be, make sure that you are protected. Make sure you can bring another person with you. I don't have anybody in the car with me because I've been doing this for a while. And you know, I have protection, of course, you know, for if anything goes left any point in time. So, you know, I don't want to say don't bring nobody. Bring somebody if you can, but if you can't, just make sure that you're protected in the, you know, best way possible. So now he's texting me saying he's 2 minutes away. And that's another thing. Like, I like to get here before the person get here to spin the block, which means I just want to be able to look around, check the scenery out, because I honestly don't play about this. Like, when I go to meet up with people, I don't play. Like, I want to make sure everything is legit and cool. And then lastly, right, make sure you have whatever you're selling, make sure it's ready, okay? Make sure it's ready. Like, this is ready. This phone is ready. Like, we don't got to go through nothing. We don't got to go through no extra stuff. It's ready, okay? And it's in pristine condition, like I told him. And, of course, I did change the screen. That's why I'm selling it for so cheap. And usually I sell this thing for like $425, but I'm selling it for $300 because I did fix the screen. It's a refurbished phone. I didn't really cost me literally anything to get. So this is really just pure profit. I need to just continue to just build my profit, to be completely honest and transparent. So that's why I got my butt up on Mother's Day to make sure I sold this phone to this individual. But we just got to make sure that we're safe. We got to make sure we're following the proper steps so that we can meet people in the least dangerous way, because we do have to understand that, you know, this is dangerous. Being on OfferUp and meeting people, whether you're buying or selling, it's dangerous. And at all points and times, we got to make sure that we are crossing our T's and dotting our I's, and that is what I want you guys to do, because I don't want anything to happen to you. I want you guys to be safe. So that is my tips and tricks on meeting people on OfferUp. I do this. I don't meet but I don't meet up with people too much, but I want to do more because I do want to network. I also want to get back into just not getting lazy and content with just a store. You know, I want to get out and meet people and grind it out. You know, that's one of my biggest goals for this week. So hopefully you guys see that in the vlog. As you guys know, I do a weekly vlog every week. More videos are gonna be posted daily. About to kick it up. Also, an announcement, if it hasn't already came out, is gonna come out about a chat where we can communicate. Because I know a lot of people have questions, and I know a lot of people want to talk to me. And I want to talk to a lot of people as well. And I just want to get a chat going to where we can actually, you know, get that started. And Telegram is great, but honestly, I don't really like Telegram because anybody can join, and I don't got time. I just don't have time. The Telegram aspect it's cute. You know what I mean? It's cool to say you got a Telegram and everything, but I don't want to keep changing my link on people, and then, you know, them like, oh man, I can't get into your Telegram. So I got another idea. I'm just trying to just hone onto the idea and get the idea perfected. So he should be arriving at any point in time. I'm about to get my head in the game and get ready. I don't want to be distracted with this, because you get distracted and you count money wrong and everything. So that's why I don't really want to vlog and do all of that stuff while I'm trying to do this, because it is a serious thing. So yep, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching, and I hope you guys stay safe. And yes, continue to make the money work for you. Peace. And I got the money. So guys, it's easy. Meta, I mean, it's a little annoying, and I'll go over exactly why I feel that way, guys. But here's a little annoying because they had to go to the ATM and everything. I'd rather you just had the money. But we got it done safely. So I want you guys to be safe. I got a lot of people that I do know that do this stuff safely, and then I got a lot of people that I do know that they've had experiences where they were uncomfortable. So it's just all about making sure that you put yourself in the best position possible, and I know you guys will.